Are you constantly tired? Do you find yourself feeling sluggish even after a full night's sleep? Or perhaps you're battling brain fog that just won't lift, making it difficult to concentrate and focus on even the simplest tasks. You're doing your best to eat healthy, choosing nutritious foods and avoiding processed junk. But still, that persistent fatigue lingers. You're not alone. Many women experience these frustrating symptoms, and it can be incredibly disheartening when you feel like you're doing everything right, yet your body isn't cooperating. It's time to explore a potential underlying cause that might be sabotaging your efforts. For many women with PCOS, polycystic ovary syndrome, or insulin resistance, the real culprit behind these persistent symptoms might be chronic inflammation. This isn't the acute inflammation that helps your body heal from a cut or infection. We're talking about a low-grade, systemic inflammation that simmers beneath the surface, wreaking havoc on your hormones, energy levels, and overall well-being. It's like a fire burning slowly within your body, constantly draining your resources and preventing you from feeling your best. This type of inflammation can be triggered by a variety of factors, including diet, stress, environmental toxins, and gut imbalances. In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of chronic inflammation and exploring natural, science-backed ways to reduce it. We'll uncover the root causes of inflammation in women with PCOS and insulin resistance, and provide you with practical strategies you can implement right away. By addressing inflammation, you can boost your energy levels, balance your hormones, improve your mood, and reclaim your vitality. Get ready to take control of your health and start feeling like yourself again. Inflammation is part of the body's natural defense system, but when it becomes chronic, it silently damages cells, disrupts hormones, and worsens insulin resistance. According to research, low-grade chronic inflammation plays a key role in PCOS and type 2 diabetes. So how do we fight it naturally? Let's explore. When it comes to managing inflammation and supporting overall well-being, the journey often begins right on our plates. Start with food. Embrace the power of whole, unprocessed ingredients that nature provides. These foods are not only delicious, but also packed with essential nutrients that can make a significant difference in how you feel. Fiber-rich choices are key, as they help regulate blood sugar levels, preventing those energy crashes and cravings that can derail your healthy eating habits. Antioxidant-packed meals are also crucial, acting as shields against cellular damage and promoting a healthy inflammatory response. Think of colorful fruits and vegetables as your allies in this fight. Try adding leafy greens like callaloo or spinach, powerhouses of vitamins and minerals. These greens are incredibly versatile and can be incorporated into salads, smoothies, or even as a side dish. Berries loaded with polyphenols offer a concentrated dose of antioxidants, protecting your cells from damage and reducing inflammation. Don't underestimate the power of spices either. Turmeric and ginger, potent anti-inflammatories, can be easily added to your daily routine. Sprinkle them into your meals, brew them into teas, or even add them to your smoothies for an extra boost. And let's not forget about healthy fats like avocado, nuts, and fatty fish. These fats are essential for brain health, hormone production, and overall well-being. Now let's talk about what to limit. Cut back on sugar and refined carbs that spike insulin and fan the flames of inflammation. These culprits can wreak havoc on your blood sugar levels, leading to energy crashes, cravings, and increased inflammation throughout the body. Processed foods, often laden with unhealthy fats, sugars, and additives, should also be minimized. Swap sugary drinks for ginger or hibiscus tea, which not only hydrate you, but also provide additional health benefits. Ginger tea can soothe digestion and reduce nausea, while hibiscus tea is known for its antioxidant properties and potential to lower blood pressure. And when it comes to grains, choose brown rice or quinoa over white rice. These whole grains are packed with fiber, which helps regulate blood sugar levels and keeps you feeling full and satisfied for longer. Making these simple dietary swaps can have a profound impact on your overall health and well-being, helping you to manage inflammation and live a more vibrant life. When it comes to managing inflammation and supporting overall well-being, incorporating specific lifestyle choices can make a significant difference. One powerful approach is to include healing herbs in your daily routine. Consider moringa, a plant native to the Caribbean and Africa, celebrated for its remarkable health benefits. Moringa is packed with antioxidants and nutrients that actively combat oxidative stress. a key contributor to inflammation and cellular damage. Adding moringa to your diet, whether through smoothies, teas, or supplements, can be a proactive step towards reducing inflammation and promoting a healthier you. It's a simple yet effective way to harness the power of nature for your well-being. Prioritizing sleep is absolutely crucial for managing inflammation and maintaining overall health. Aim for a consistent sleep schedule that allows you to get between 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. When you consistently lack sufficient sleep, your body responds by increasing cortisol production. Cortisol, often referred to as the stress hormone, can trigger inflammation throughout the body when elevated for extended periods. Establishing a relaxing bedtime routine, creating a sleep-conducive environment, and considering natural sleep aids like magnesium can significantly improve your sleep quality and help keep cortisol levels in check. Remember, restorative sleep is a cornerstone of a healthy, balanced lifestyle. Incorporating regular physical activity into your daily routine is essential, but it's important to choose activities that are gentle and sustainable. Aim to move your body daily, focusing on exercises that improve insulin sensitivity without excessively raising cortisol levels. Brisk walking is an excellent option, as it provides cardiovascular benefits and helps regulate blood sugar. Light strength training, using dumbbells or resistance bands, can also be beneficial for building muscle mass and improving insulin sensitivity. The key is to find activities you enjoy and can consistently incorporate into your lifestyle. Remember, consistency is more important than intensity when it comes to managing inflammation and promoting long-term health. Effectively managing stress is paramount for reducing inflammation and promoting overall well-being. Chronic stress can lead to elevated cortisol levels, which in turn can trigger inflammation throughout the body. Incorporate stress-reducing practices into your daily routine, such as breathwork exercises, meditation, or spending time in nature. Additionally, consider incorporating adaptogenic herbs like ashwagandha, which have been shown to help lower cortisol levels and promote a sense of calm. By actively managing stress, you can create a more balanced internal environment and reduce the risk of inflammation-related health issues. Remember, taking care of your mental and emotional well-being is just as important as taking care of your physical health. Let's recap. Eat real anti-inflammatory foods, avoid sugar and processed carbs, use healing herbs, prioritize rest and gentle movement, and manage stress mindfully. These simple changes can boost energy, improve insulin sensitivity, and help you feel like yourself again. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay balanced, stay brilliant.